Today I will teach you how to create a safe video link. So when you are on YouTube and you are viewing a video, so I'm going to watch the How to Teach with Padlet. So right now I'm viewing an ad and I don't want to view an ad, and I could also click on something over here. So I just want that video, so I am going to Control C to copy, and then I am going to type in video.link. Once you are here, you will Control V to copy that video link, and then it will generate a new link for you. So what this will do is that new link will take you to video link instead of YouTube. So this generated a safe URL. I'm going to copy this and I will put this into a new link, and it will take me to the new link. So here it is. I am in video link How to Teach Remotely with Padlet, and down here you will see there is no longer YouTube that I can click on to take me to YouTube, no ads, and there are no other videos featured on the side. If you have any questions, reach out to your coach.